say all the metabolic activities takes place with the help of enzymes. Metabolism is equal to anabolism plus catabolism. Here, inside the cell, two types of enzymatic activity. We have already seen the lock and key model of enzyme activity, and second, induced fit model. That induced fit model, in this model, enzyme having the structure which get changed according to the nature of substrate. When substrate is like that way, enzyme becomes like that way. And enzyme activity takes place with the help of active sites. That active site comes in contact with the substrate according to the nature and the structure of substrate. Enzyme plus substrate forms enzyme substrate complex. After that, enzyme and substrate get converted into product which gets separated due to change in the structure. Product gets separated. Substrate changes into the product. Enzyme remains then unchanged. Finally, enzyme only takes part in the enzymatic activity, and after completion of the activity or reaction, enzyme gets separated and product gets separated because the product has different shape. And that product, that means finally what happens after enzymatic reaction, enzyme plus substrate get converted into enzyme substrate complex, and enzyme substrate complex finally converted into enzyme plus product. Very simple. Induced fit model. Induced fit, that means substrate fits into the enzyme and that substrate, the structure of enzyme becomes changed according to substrate. Induced fit, that structure of substrate or shape of substrate induces the change in the nature of enzyme or change in the shape of enzyme. Therefore, it is called as induced fit model. What are the factors which affect the enzymatic activity or enzyme activity? Factors म्हणजे घटक. कोणते घटक enzymatic activity परिणाम करतात? तर enzymatic activity वरती परिणाम करणारे 5 factors are affecting enzymatic activity. That is, first, concentration of substrate. More is the concentration of substrate, fast reaction or fast enzymatic reaction. Enzyme concentration also. The enzyme, the concentration of enzyme is more, enzymatic activity is fast. Very simple. Temperature, optimum temperature carry out maximum enzymatic reactions or fast speed up the enzymatic reactions. Temperature, normally human body temperature is 37. Therefore, inside the human body, enzymatic activity takes place at which temperature? 37. Many enzymes, digestive enzymes in our body acts at which temperature? 37 degrees Celsius. Below that or above that temperature, enzymatic activity becomes slow down. Is it clear? Then next factor, pH. Many intestinal enzymes acts at alkaline pH. In the intestine of human being, intestine लहान आतड्यामध्ये मॅक्झिमम एन्झायमॅटिक रिएक्शन कोणत्या pH ला होतात? अबव 7. 7 is the neutral pH. Above 7 alkaline pH. Below 7 is acidic pH. Above 7 ह्या pH ला जास्तीत जास्त एन्झायमॅटिक ऍक्टिव्हिटी होतात लहान आतड्यामध्ये, म्हणजे इफेक्ट ऑफ pH. pH also matters in the enzymatic activity or rate of enzymatic activity. Enzymatic activities are at fastest or at speed at which pH? Above 7, that is alkaline pH. Slightly alkaline pH is responsible for the fast enzymatic activity. Next, other substances. Which are these other substances which affect the enzymatic activity? First, that is the coenzymes. That means enzyme-like substances, that is called as, or which cooperate the enzymes, therefore called as coenzymes, as well as activator. In the name also, the meaning of activator means which helps in the speed of the reaction. activator helps in the enzymatic reaction or speed up the enzymatic reaction, and inhibit, prohibit or inhibit or slow down the enzymatic reaction. Some factors inside the cell which are responsible for speed up the enzymatic reaction or slow down the enzymatic reaction. Which factors? Some substances inside the cell cytoplasm speed up the reaction, that is called as, yes, activators, and with the factors which are slow down the reaction called as inhibitors. These factors also affect the enzymatic reaction. These are the factors affecting enzyme activity. Is it clear to? Very simple. Here